Okay guys, I got the Dewalt 3/8 20-volt battery impact wrench. I'm gonna try to see how it does removing the wheels. I have these 3 bolts here loose right now. I'm gonna tighten them to 90, 100 and 110, and then we'll see how easy it removes them. Okay, this is supposed to be 90. See if I can get it to focus. That is 90 foot-pounds. I'll do next to 100. This is 100. Let's see. Let's see, that's 100. And the last one, I'll do it at 110. It's 110, as you can see. Okay. So this is the 90. $100 and 110. I think it does a great job.